Hello children, your ma'am is back with your favorite subject math. Today we will continue our chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks. Session number 3. First of all, let's do the revision of the last session. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its front is known as its front view. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its back side is known as its back view. Let's start our session number 3. Refer page number 57 of your textbook. The park behind Gappu's house. Do you remember the park behind Gappu's house? Yes, we have seen in our first session. Here is a bigger picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the following questions. So students, first question is, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Look at your picture. Here is gate A. Here is gate B, gate C and gate D. And here is the sweet shop. Now you tell me which is the nearest one, A, B, C or D? Yes, very good. Gate A is the nearest one. Next question, which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Where is Gappu's house? Yes, here is Gappu's house. And which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Very good. Gate C. So our answer is gate C. Let's proceed further. Question number 3. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right or front. Dear students, let's enter from the gate B. Here is the green bench. So in order to reach to the green bench, we have to take turn like this. Correct? Yes. And this is our which turn? Very good. Left turn. So our answer is left turn. Or we can say the green bench will be on the left side. Next question. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? Here is the flower bed. Now let's check for all the gates. First, gate A. If she entered from the gate A like this, then flower bed was left to her, not right to her. So gate A is not the answer. Now gate B. Yes, from the gate B, she didn't get the flower bed to her right. Now what about the gate C? Think about it. Yes, gate C is not the correct answer because she didn't get the flower bed to her right. At last, check for gate D. When she entered from the gate D, yes, she found the flower bed to her right. So our answer is gate D. And the last question, which of the following is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? Basketball court, flower bed, green bench or seesaw? Let's mark following things in the given picture. First, basketball court. Second, flower bed. Third, green bench. And fourth one, seesaw. And you know, here is the gate C. Now you tell me which is nearest to you if you enter from the gate C. Yes, very good. Seesaw is the nearest one. So our answer is seesaw. Now refer page number 58. Ismail's home. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. This is what Ismail told Srijata. From your house, reach the milk booth like this and then take a left turn. Students, just imagine the position of Srijata. And this is left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn. Students, kindly remember crossing means where the two or more roads meet. Here is the first crossing and here is the second crossing. And we have to take right. Here is the right turn. And go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. Go straight and then right turn. Here is right turn. After about 100 meters, you will see a big park. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. But she did not find any park. Can you tell me why? Yes, because it is the wrong way. Now, here we have some questions. The first question, did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? Yes, we know the route was wrong. So our answer is yes, he went wrong when he told to take right turn after crossing the bridge. The correct turn was yes, left. Second question, show where Srijata will reach if she takes the route he told her. Yes, she will reach somewhere here. Correct? Very good. Now, last question. Write the directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. Here is the route map. Now we have to find the route of Srijata's house from Ismail's house. So first of all, from Ismail's house, go straight like this. Then take the first right turn. This is our right turn. Then go straight and take the first left turn after crossing the bridge. Go straight and which turn? Yes, left turn. After that, go straight and take the second right, or we can say take the right turn from milk booth like this. Then go straight. You will find the dark pink colored house, and this is Srijata's house. Clear? Here is the direction. Let's do one more time. You can verify in your textbook also. From Ismail's house, go straight, then take the first right turn. Go straight, take the first left turn after crossing the bridge. After that, go straight and take the second right turn, or we can say take the right turn from milk booth. Again, go straight. You will find the dark pink colored house of Srijata. Let's proceed further. Page number 59. Ghibli and the big box. Do you remember Ghibli, the ant, in the Math Magic book of class 3? Yes, in the chapter number 4, long and short. Well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. After that, Ghibli moved across and turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. Can you guess what that box-like thing was? One hint is given. The numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Yes, now you know the answer. It is a dice. Now we have some questions related to this box. The first question, which number was on the opposite side of 5? We know the numbers on the opposite faces or sides of the dice add up to 7. So in order to find out the second number, we have to subtract the given number from 7. So second number will be 7 minus 5. That means number 2. Next, in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? We have 1 on the top, and you know bottom is the opposite face of the top. So our answer will be yes, 7 minus 1, that means number 6. And the last question, which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? If she turns left from 5, she will reach at the opposite face of 4. So, she will see 7 minus 4, that means number 3. Clear? Very good. Now, it's your homework time. What will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture. In order to do this, kindly get all the 4 cuts on the paper. Then make 4 boxes and at last check the condition of dice. Which condition? Yes, the numbers on the opposite faces must add up to 7. Try to do it. So here we have completed our chapter number 5. Kindly refer to revision notes and also solve your worksheet. We will meet soon with the another chapter. Thank you.